I love getting emails. Camping Trevor sent me this. He said, I bet you can't make this. He said, it's a fishy scrambled egg. Fishy scrambled egg. 3 eggs, baby spinach, Mexican rice, mackerel fillets in tomato sauce, the tin ones, and a chili sauce. Oh, I don't think I'll be making that. But Mrs. Taylor, who doesn't cook, she'll actually eat this if I make it, so I'm going to give it a go, but I'm going to do my take on it. And he says it's a bit like a fishy scrambled egg. It won't be. Cue the music. So what I'll do, I'll start off with making the sauce and get that on reducing. And these are Chipotle chilies. So we did a recipe with Chipotle chilies earlier on in the year, which is really, really nice. And I must remember not to scratch my eyes with the chili. So only 1 chili in, and then I'll taste it, and if it needs any more, I can make some more. We've got some sun-dried tomatoes, which are fabulous taste. Some of those can go in, and this is some of the tomatoes that we canned earlier on in the year. So I'm going to add a whole one of those in. Wow, look at that. A whole one of those in, and we'll see how it turns out. And a little bit of tomato puree. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how it is. Oh yes. Oh yes. There. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Righto, I'll just get this come to a simmer, and then we can let this reduce. So he said mackerel. Well, I've got some mackerel. That to one side. And we've got some spinach, and we've got a pepper, and we've got 3 eggs, which also said. In there is a little bit of a spice mix, which I will just refer to my notes and tell you exactly what is in there. There is onion powder, garlic, cumin, chili powder. Well, actually chili flakes are put in there. Black pepper and salt, and there's going to be a little bit of tomato paste which I'll put in now, and the rest is going to be like a chicken type soup. So if I had a bit of this to go in, quite a big glug, and this is chicken stock in powder form. So this is for the Mexican rice, and with the Mexican rice you actually burn you kind of toast the rice first of all, and then you add your water, which is chicken stock. So I'm going to do this opposite way around, where I've actually got some cold rice here. This is a quicker way to do it. And I'm going to put the eggs. Now the eggs were scrambled in this, they were just popped inside it from what Trevor said, which to me doesn't look very appetising, so I'll do it a different way as well. We also have some chili, so for just a little bit of chili. Yeah, somebody said, by the way, they said, where do you throw everything? Where do you put all your waste? Well, I put it there. There's like a little catch me thingy just inside the sink, which is brilliant. Right, so our juiceless in the house. Like I said, this is my take on it, so a little bit of peppers in there. Finely diced peppers. I need to do this with the eggs, just like you do with the stir fry, because I don't want these scrambly. There we go, eggs done. Okay, there's our spinach done. It takes a couple of minutes, the spinach. Let's have a look at the rice. Now, if you're making Mexican rice from scratch, you're going to put your rice in that's not cooked, and then you're going to toast your rice for a short while. So what I want to do, because it's already cooked, is to put it in and warm it up. And what I can do is I can leave it until I start hearing it pop. Chili, pepper, and spring onion. I added a spring onion to it. Let's see where we go. So our mixture that we've got, I can just ladle that around the edge, turn the heat up to full, and then let it reduce. You now see little burn bits where the rice is caught on the pan. But we're almost there for plating. So we said 3 eggs before, and there was 3 eggs. 2 of the eggs went in there. This I soft boiled, and I'll show you where this is going to go in a second. When I'm with you, girl, there ain't no rules, 'cause you make me feel alright. I thank my lucky stars that life turned out this way. No matter where we are, I know this love is here to stay. Well, I've seen good times and I've seen bad. There've been some happy, there've been some sad, but you're the best thing I ever had, 'cause you make me feel alright. Just like the sunrise needs the sky, just like the blackbird needs to fly, I gotta have you by my side, 'cause you make me feel alright. I know some people play it cool,
But baby, I ain't that kind of fool. When I'm with you, girl, there ain't no rules. 'Cause you make me feel alright. You make me feel alright. Hey, 'cause you make me feel alright. Yeah, you make me feel alright. You make me feel alright.